Adesi bokutim neskata donde.
Pisses me off.
Okay, I'll hold for you.
Just hang on. Just wait 1 minute, alright? It'll do it. It's starting to speed up. Can you hear it yet? Hello?
Barely. Yeah, I'm here. I can hear a little bit.
You can hear it.
Just a little bit.
Oh, now it's going. Can you hear it now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's not supposed to do that, is it?
I don't think so. No, sir.
I don't know what's going on.
No.
Oh, God. Ma'am?
Uh-huh.
It won't shut off.
You're probably gonna have to, can you unplug it?
No, it won't shut off. I don't know what's going on.
Okay, can you unplug it?
I'm trying to. Hang on.
Okay.
There's electricity coming out of the socket.
Oh, no.
Yeah. What should I do?
Okay, can you turn it off at the breaker?
Yeah, hang on. Let me go get to the breaker. Hang on. I don't know what's going on. This is going haywire. Oh, God. It's going haywire. Man, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Yeah, there's electricity coming out of the breaker, too. It's going straight into the washing machine.
Oh, my God.
Hang on. It's throttling up. I don't know what's going on.
Oh, my God.
Oh, God. What the hell? Ma'am?
Yes.
The washing machine
God.
it just exploded.
Oh, my goodness. Let me go ahead and... what is the brand on this washer?
Ma'am. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, the washing machine
I'm
just
here.
had electricity coming out. It just exploded.
Okay. Let me go ahead and... I've got your information.
What should we...
Okay.
Hello?
Let me ask you a question. What is the brand on the washer?
Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Only the door flew off. It's fine. The washing machine's still in one piece. It's all together. There was electricity coming out of the breaker. It's shut off now.
Okay. All right. Let me go ahead and get you over. Let me ask you a question. Do you have any kind of extended warranty coverage?
Here, hang on. I've never had one do this before. Have you ever had a washing machine go out like this? This is insane.
No. I've never heard a washing machine sound like that.
Yeah, it sounded like a jet engine.
Yes.
What should I...
God.
What?
Okay,
Hello?
let me ask you. Okay, do you have a warranty on that?
You said I should start it up again? Let me try starting it again. Hang on.
Do you have warranty?
Hang on. I'm trying to start it.
No. Don't start it up.
Alright, I started it. Now what should I do?
No. Don't start it. Don't start it.
Don't start it? There's no door on it.
No.
I don't know. I'm sorry?
Okay, when I was asking if you had warranty.
Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
It won't shut off.
No, because it's...
Oh, God. Hello?
Don't... Okay. No, I didn't want you to start it. I didn't want you to start it.
I'm sorry, that's what I heard.
Question.
Okay. Hang on, it's starting to throttle up. This thing's getting really hot. Oh, God.
Are you on your cell phone?
Hang on, ma'am. It's starting to get super hot. It's going fast.
Okay. If you're on a cell phone, can you go outside? Are you able to get outside? Just leave the room.